Well, I hope you enjoyed that last segment on Instinet Forms and the power that that Forms product has to offer you. Wanted to give you a quick tip as well with Ribbit Mobile. About 2 years ago, I decided that I really despise checking email, or voicemail rather. It would take too much time out of my day. Every time I wanted to check 3 or 4 times a day, it would take me 2 to 5 minutes to go through the voicemails and listen to what people had to say, and then either delete it or save it for another time when I'd go back in and it would take even longer to check that voicemail. So I found this product called Ribbit Mobile rather, most recently. I've used 2 others in the past. I used Umail and I used CallWave, and actually I used Google Voice, which was a nice product, but the transcriptions weren't very good. Essentially what Ribbit Mobile does is it's going to take a voicemail that comes into your phone and it's going to convert it into text, and then it's going to email you. This is only helpful if you have a data plan on your BlackBerry or iPhone or what have you. But if you do, it's a product that I think you ought to get, and you ought to get fast. Currently, right now, it's in the beta version, so it's free. Eventually, it's probably going to be anywhere from $20 to $30 a month, which may make it cost prohibitive. But essentially, what will happen is and to be honest with you, I don't really go on the online version, which we're looking at now, very often. In fact, this is the first time I've been on it in probably 2 months, because the beauty of it is you don't have to go online to view it. What'll happen is the call comes in, they take a MP3 file of it, in essence they record the call, then they email that to you. So you can listen to it right away. Then about 2 minutes later, they transcribe it, or within 2 minutes they've had transcribed it and sends it to you in an email. So if you're in a meeting and not able to answer the phone, you're not out of business. You're still getting emails. You kind of peek down at your phone, you can scroll over it, you can read what it has to say. So in this particular call, Roxanne calls in. So if we take and listen to it, you can see how accurate it is.
Hey, Mike, it's Roxanne. Give me a call when you get a chance to question on some search stuff on the new MLX, and a little bit of a challenge with it. Okay? Call me when you get a chance. Thanks. Bye-bye.
How cool is that? That is the coolest thing, I gotta say. It has saved me a lot of time. Then it's also got another feature which is, I don't use as much. Let's say you're running low on minutes in a particular month, or you want to work from home but appear to be working at the office. That is another cool feature. So essentially what happens here is we've got a caller ID, and this is my cell phone number, 7219857. Now let's say I wanted to make a phone call from my office, or appear to look like I'm calling from my office. I change my caller ID to my office number, and I can dial the phone just like I normally would with a regular phone. So when I type in 585-721-9857 and I hit Michael Walker and then I hit call, you'll see in a few moments that it's going to dial out just using the internet connection, so there's no charge to your phone, and at the same time it's going to ring your cell phone, or at least ring my cell phone, and you'll see the number that it's coming from. So hopefully that's viewable on your screen. If it's not, trust me, it says 585-362-8575, and it's got my name and my picture. So again, I hope that's been helpful for you. It's been helpful for me, and I would recommend that you very quickly get interested in this product, because it will save you time all day, every day. And that's it for Tech Tips Tuesday. Take care.